my name is Gigi. Welcome back. And if you're new, I've been a hairdresser, like I've said before, for many years. So today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair with a curling iron, like some waves, without having to put it too long on the ends, because again, you want to avoid getting split ends and drying your hair and eventually burning it. I'm going to keep this parting right here. I'm going to go down the back. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I section the front, and it might look like a lot of steps sometimes, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's so much easier and faster, and it's better for you and your hair. And then clip this. I'm going to leave this down because I'm going to go back to that section first. Start always in the back. That way you have, again, better control. If you start from the front back, it's a lot harder to hold on to the hair. And there you go. This is how it's supposed to look. So now I'm going to go ahead and comb out my hair because I want to make sure there's no tangles, okay? It's very important. Okay. Comb it out. And then you start with the bottom section. You don't want to get too thick of a piece. See how I'm holding the hair? I started from half of my hair, and I started turning, holding the ends. The ends go all the way to the end. You don't put them right away. You don't start from the bottom up. You start from the middle, in between. And the ends are the last ones to go because those are the ones that are gonna curl a lot faster. And then you do this. Now, don't run your fingers through. You want your hair to cool down in this state, okay? Now, the next section, you're gonna be doing this all throughout. When you're done with this section, then you do the front, and then you start to the back on the other section. So I always comb. I can even divide this in two, just to make sure if I feel that it's too heavy. See how I turned it? Turned, and I'm holding on to the hair. And then I hold on, turn. At first it's gonna be hard, or challenging, but once you get the hang of it, it's like second nature. By the time you put the ends, this section right here has already shaped, so you don't have to leave it that long. Now in the front part of your, like around your face, the hair tends to be a lot thinner than the texture on the back. So I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. So let it cool down because you want this side to cool down as well. Just give it a minute before you run your fingers through, or before we're gonna do a brush. So. So I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making them. Like and subscribe, and remember that healthy hair is shiny hair. Ciao.